हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मैंने अपने चैनल पर चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रखी है एंड ये उसी सीरीज़ का पार्ट 8 है। तो जिन्होंने भी रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं वो चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। एंड वीडियो अगर पसंद आती है तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमें दे रखा है, कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट इज सपोर्टेड बाय फर्स्ट कंडक्टिंग रेलिवेंट एंड वेल डिजाइंड टेस्ट एज फ्रिक्वेंटली एज पॉसिबल, सेकेंड प्रेजेंटिंग एक्टिविटीज दैट reinforce traditional methods, providing third is providing a rich and varied environment, या fourth focusing more on individual activities in comparison to collaboration। सो जो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3। नेक्स्ट, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इज फर्स्ट क्वांटिटेटिव, सेकंड क्वालिटेटिव, थर्ड अनमेजरेबल टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, या फोर्थ बोथ क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव। सो जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट, द नेचर नर्चर डिबेट रेफर्स टू फर्स्ट जेनेटिक्स एंड एनवायरनमेंट, सेकंड बिहेवियर एंड एनवायरनमेंट, थर्ड environment and biology, या फोर्थ environment and upbringing। So correct answer is option 1। Next, which of the following is a passive agency of socialization? First health club, second family, third eco club, या fourth public library। So correct answer is option 4। Next, in Vygotsky's theory, which aspect of development gets neglected? फर्स्ट सोशल, सेकंड कल्चरल, थर्ड बायोलॉजिकल, या फोर्थ लिंग्विस्टिक। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग stages आर इन्वॉल्व व्हेन इन्फेंट्स थिंक विद देयर आईज, ईयर्स एंड हैंड्स? फर्स्ट कॉन्क्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज, सेकंड प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज, थर्ड सेंसरी मोटर स्टेज, या फोर्थ फॉर्मल ऑपरेशनल स्टेज। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3। Next, Rita does not agree with Rishabh about setting up a class picnic. She thinks that rules can be revised to suit the majority. This kind of peer disagreement, according to Piaget, refers to first heteronomous morality, second cognitive immaturity, third reaction, या fourth morality of cooperation. So correct answer is option 4. Next, which one of the following is a form of Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence? First practical intelligence, second experimental intelligence, third resourceful intelligence, या fourth mathematical intelligence। So correct answer will be option number 1, practical intelligence, because according to Sternberg's triarchic theory तीन तरह की intelligence होती हैं, creative intelligence, practical intelligence and experiential intelligence। नेक्स्ट है, हु डेवलप्ड द फर्स्ट इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट? फर्स्ट डेविड वेचेसलर, सेकंड एल्फ्रेड बिने, थर्ड चार्ल्स एडवर्ड स्पीयरमैन, या फोर्थ रॉबर्ट स्टर्नबर्ग। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट, फोनोलॉजिकल अवेयरनेस refers to the ability to first reflect and manipulate the sound structure, second speak fluently and accurately, third know, understand and write, या फोर्थ मास्टर द रूल्स ऑफ ग्रामर। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1। नेक्स्ट, जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन अ क्लास रूम। फर्स्ट डज नॉट अफेक्ट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, सेकेंड may lead to diminished effort or performance of the students, third may lead to enhanced effort or performance of the male students, या fourth is done more by the male teachers than their female counterparts। So correct answer is option 2। Next, which of the following is an example of learning style? First visual, second accrual, third factual, या fourth textual। So correct answer is option 1। Next, a teacher collects and reads the work of the class, then plans and adjusts the next lesson to meet students' needs. She is doing first assessment of learning, second assessment as learning, third assessment for learning, या fourth assessment at learning. So correct answer is option 3. Next, teacher who work under school based assessment first are overburdened as they need to take frequent tests in addition to Monday tests. Second, need to assign project work in each subject to individual students. Third, observe students minutely on a daily basis to assess their values and attitudes. या fourth, feel a sense of ownership for the system. So जो correct answer है वो है option 4. Next, how do grades differ from marks? This question belongs to which of the following classes of questions? First, divergent. Second, analytical. Third, open ended. या fourth, problem solving. So जो correct answer है वो है option number second, that is analytic. Next, girl students first learn questions on mathematics well but face difficulty only when they are asked to reason them out. Second, are as good in mathematics as boys of their age. Third, perform less competently in spatial concepts than boys of their age. Yeah, fourth, possesses more linguistic and musical abilities. So correct answer is option 2. Next, difficulty in recalling sequence of letters in words and frequent loss of visual memories associated with. First, dyslexia. Second, dyscalculia. Third, dysgraphia. या fourth, dyspraxia. So जो correct answer है वो है option 1. Next, education of all in schools for all could be a tagline for which of the following? First, cohesive education. Second, inclusive education. Third, cooperative education. या fourth, exclusive education. Correct answer is option 2. Next, fluency, elaboration, originality and flexibility are the factors associated with. Options है giftedness, second talent, third divergent thinking या fourth exhilaration. So correct answer is option 1. Next, gifted students may be asked to spend more time on questions dealing with first remembering, second understanding, third creating या fourth analyzing. So answer is option 4, option 3, creating. Next, learning disabilities in mathematics can be assessed most appropriately by which of the following test? First, aptitude test, diagnostic test, screening test या achievement test. Answer is option 2. Next, concept maps are most likely to increase understanding of new concepts by first, transferring knowledge between content areas. Second, focusing attention on specific detail. Third, prioritizing academic content for study. या fourth, increasing ability to organize information logically. So correct answer is option 4. Next, according to theory of social learning of Albert Bandura, which one of the following is true? First, play is essential and should be given priority in school. Second, modeling is a principal way for children to learn. Third, an unresolved crisis can harm a child. या fourth, cognitive development is independent of social development. So correct answer is option 2. Next, deductive reasoning involves first, reasoning from general to particular. Second, reasoning from particular to general. Third, active construction and reconstruction of knowledge. या fourth, methods including inquiry learning and heuristics. Correct answer is option 1. Deductive reasoning involves reasoning from general to particular. Next, when children learn a concept and use it, practice helps in reducing the errors committed by them. This idea was given by first E.L. Thorndike, second Jean Piaget, third J.B. Watson, या fourth Lev Vygotsky. So correct answer is option 1, E.L. Thorndike. Trial and error theory. Which of the following skills is associated with emotional intelligence? First, memorizing. Second, motor processing. Third, envisaging. या fourth, empathizing. So correct answer is option 4. Next, the inner force that stimulates and compels a behavioral response and provides a specific direction to that response is first motive, second perseverance, third emotion, या fourth commitment. So correct answer is option 1. Next, which term is often used interchangeably with the term motivation? First incentive, second emotion, third need, या fourth inspiration. So correct answer is option number 3. Next, dash motives deal with the need to reach satisfying feeling states and to obtain personal goals. First, effective, second, affective, third, preservation oriented, या fourth, safety oriented. So correct answer is option number 2. Next is which of one of the following is a factor that affects learning positively? First, fear of failure. Second, competition with peers. Third, meaningful association. या fourth, pressure from parents. So correct answer is option 3. सो गाइज ये थे आज के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.